Right, with the new CPU installed, processors, there we go. 4 with 8 cores and 3.4 gigahertz. And everything else is configured in and running sweet. Awesome. It's a bit of a upgrade, sort of. Right, let's load the MSI Afterburner. Don't have to change that hard drive, so I'll clone that onto the SSD. We also want to run the RTSS. Yeah, whatever. Doesn't look too bad. Right, now what we'll do is we'll run the benchmark again. Everyone's probably interested. I am too. I'm going to get the same readings on the HP 6200 Pro. I think I was getting about 34 frames with the same CPU. So we'll run that. Starts on not low setting but medium setting. Wait for it to load. Hard drive will be probably slowing it down a bit too, I'd say. Right. Now put that on to quality low. I wish 90 FPS. It's only for searching the interwebs and uploading my videos. And we have wait for it to normalize 23s. It's not too bad. 25, 26, 27. 54 degrees. CPU 54. Dropping down at 18s. Obviously it depends on the scene. I know it's on low settings. It's not for gaming. But that's basically a bit of a stress test. Sort of. Hasn't flicked off or anything crazy. Right. Probably search the Facebook Marketplace for another graphics card. I mean, we've got 2021s FPS. I mean, that's fine. Just for watching YouTube and bits and bobs. Right. Thanks for watching. And next time, hopefully, got rid of this horrible desk and my horrible little corner that I'm shoved into. Cheers.